We have our eye on the storm where heavy rains and fast-moving floodwaters have prompted a state of emergency in Louisiana. At least 2 people have died and more than 1,000 have been rescued from what is being called unprecedented historic flooding. CBS 4's Omar Villafranca reports from hard-hit Hammond, Louisiana.
The National Guard used a helicopter to rescue a man clinging to a tree branch in Louisiana Saturday. More than 1,000 people had to be pulled to safety after historic flooding.
Our house is going under, our pets, our horses, everything's going under back there.
The rain started falling Friday, causing rivers across the state to overflow their banks. More than 100 roads are now closed.
You can't get through it. Cars are getting washed off the road.
In Walker, a graveyard flooded and caskets were floating above ground. The governor of Louisiana has declared a state of emergency.
Asking everyone to simply evacuate if you're supposed to do that, if you're being advised to do that.
Officials expect another 4 to 6 inches of rain to fall before it's all over. A flash flood watch remains in effect through Sunday for most of southeastern Louisiana. In Jeanie Holmes' neighborhood, the water is knee-deep. She's still trying to recover from flooding 5 months ago.
The pictures you can't replace, and they're actually still in the big green Rubbermaid from last time. I've never put them up.
While some homeowners are waiting to survey the damage, Holmes says it's time to move. Omar Villafranca, CBS News, Hammond, Louisiana.